How to download Android applications not available on your country. Hey guys, let's get started. If you are trying to download the applications but it is not available in your country, then here are some of the troubleshooting steps or alternatives that you can apply. The very first one would be changing your region or country on Play Store. For that, open your Play Store and tap on the profile. Then go to settings and there you have the option of account preferences. Just tap on it and there you can change your country and region. This way now you can switch to another country and download the application. However, if this does not work, you might have to opt to using VPN. One of such preferred VPN would be Proton, which is free and accessible. For this, you can go to the Play Store and download the Proton VPN and by logging in, switch the country to the country whereby the app is available. After that, you will be able to download and install the application easily. Likewise, another solution would be using the APK to download the application. For this, you have to open any of your browser, search for the application's APK version, download and install it on the device. Likewise, the other solution or alternative would be using applications such as Aptoid. You have to install the Play Store using the Aptoid and install all the applications which you want. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.